In this video, we'll show you how to scale your dropshipping store to 100K per month in 2025 with proven strategies and tips that work. Whether you're new to dropshipping or looking to take your business to the next level, these actionable steps will guide you through the process of growing your revenue. Discover how to identify a profitable niche with low competition but high demand. Choosing the right products can make or break your dropshipping success. Learn how to design a high-converting e-commerce store, from the layout and user experience to product descriptions and checkout optimization. We'll explore how to use Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok ads to target the right audience, boost traffic, and increase sales. Stand out by building a memorable brand that connects with your customers. We'll show you how to create brand loyalty and trust. Discover how to set up effective email campaigns to nurture leads, build relationships, and convert customers into repeat buyers. Learn how to automate key areas of your business, such as order fulfillment, customer support, and marketing, to scale without burning out. Learn how to use data and analytics to optimize your ad campaigns and reinvest your profits into high-performing strategies that drive even more growth. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid roadmap to scale your dropshipping business to 100K a month in 2025.